So I got a cool little tech tip for you guys. I got a Honda Accord here. It's a misfiring, saying it's misfiring from like 4 different cylinders. Cool little way to see if it's an ignition coil on these things. You check this out, and if you hear a change, see how it changed the motor? That means that the coil is actually good and it's doing its job. So we'll go to another one. That one's doing its job. Come over here to number 1. See, it didn't change. That means this is our bad coil. Just thought that'd be a cool little piece of information for you guys if you didn't know. Replace the coil and good as new.